Alright, brand new week has started, and it's the first day of autumn, as it is the final official week of September 22nd, 2025. CN Hayes here, 2055 northbound general freighter here. Let's check them out. This one's sporting Nathan P3s. And wide open. (3416). Another brand new C6M rebuild, and another, which is one of the GECX variants. However, the 3416 was a former CN or Illinois Central -9. This is M343 91 of the 22nd. That started from Kirkyard in Gary, Indiana. This will head up to Civington Yard in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. GPU possibly? I don't know. We'll find out. Got a good run here. Immediate highlight of the night, I'll tell you guys. Looks like no CPU needed for this. Here's the last of it already. TBOX 666-829. End of train devices going. What a catch. How about that? Ha ha! Another brand new C6M rebuild that was recently delivered decided to show up. Even though I also got my next. Oh, excuse me. Maybe my next GECX nee-BNSF variant as well, of the 3366 as well. My goodness, I gotta admit, definitely was not expecting that, but that is just awesome though. So that's going to do it for the M343 91 of the 22nd, and we'll do it for the new, brand new 3416 and the 3366, the next GECX nee-BNSF variant. And it looks like another northbound will follow behind. Don't know if I'll have time for that in the next video, but we'll see. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, everybody. Have a great evening. I'll see you next time. Happy fall. And I hope I will see you along the main line. CN Hayes out.